And welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2018 Mercedes S-Class. Customers were a bit worried about someone cloning his key because he's got this kind of key. So basically we fitted this system, and how it works is every time you jump in a vehicle you hit a sequence of buttons which you've selected. Once you've inserted that, you'll get a double flash from the full beam on the dash telling you the code is correct, and the car will start. So what we'll do is we'll simulate if someone actually jumps in the car and tries to steal it. So there you go, ignition on, vehicle won't start. Okay, so now from this point onwards, ignition on, hit a sequence of buttons. So we've selected this 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get the full beam flash twice. There you go, telling the code's correct, and the vehicle will start. Very, very straightforward, very easy. Also, it's got the facility that if you're taking the car for a service or a car wash and you don't want to disclose the code, you can put it into Valet Mode, and the way you do that is very simple. So ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. The full beam will flash twice. There you go. And now you hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flashes. This is now in Valet Mode, so therefore you can start it as many times as you want. When you turn it off, it will restart, and it will continue to do this until 1, you reinsert the code, or 2, the car wash or the service department goes over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, which they shouldn't need to do. Okay, so if we now put my foot on the brake and start it, vehicle starts again. Okay, also if you want to change the code, you believe someone might have seen the code, the way you do that is also straightforward. Ignition on, insert your original code, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Full beam flash twice. There you go. Now put your foot down on the accelerator, repeat the same code. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you see the full beam start to flash, you're in learn mode. So let go of the accelerator and select a new code. So here we're going to select this button here 4 times, and every time we push it we're going to get 4 flashes. Then it's going to pause, give us 3 flashing, and wait for the same code to be repeated, and then it'll give me 2 flash and it'll be learnt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 flashes. Now repeat it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 flashes to confirm it's been learnt. That's now the new code. So now if we go back to the old code, so main ignition on, try the old code, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see nothing will happen. Vehicle won't start. Okay, so ignition off, ignition back on, 1, 2, 3, 4, new code, double flash, vehicle starts. There you go. Brilliant bit of kit. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.